with software breakers is I wanted to make a video because basically any advisor has a fiduciary obligation to do what's in the best interest of their own clients, constituents, people that they work with, all that. And if you are an advisor or have an advisor and you are not recommending or haven't been recommending to your client or to try to get your advisor to help you invest in EOS, then you are missing the boat big time. And basically defaulting on your obligation because you have a fiduciary responsibility to do what's in the best interest, there is a very good chance that they're not promoting EOS right now. And that's literally the problem. At some point, they will have to recommend EOS for all portfolios, for all just types of investments. There'll be so many products that, like right now, the fact that they're not offering you EOS to hold is giving you the biggest leg down that you could possibly get. And if people just want to get a big leg up, all they have to do is get their advisors to help them get some EOS. But the problem is being a fiduciary, they're only allowed to push certain products that their companies specialize in that are going to give you a very diminished return if guaranteed loss. Most is guaranteed loss. While themselves at the very top are actually accumulating EOS. Especially if you think about it, some of these asset managers, they're going to have a bunch of EOS so that they can back it 1-to-1 for these products. Think about it. I mean, that's the only way that this is going to work for the benefit of the people involved outside of the fiduciary responsibility. So I don't think that people are taking into account just how serious it is if your advisor is not recommending EOS because they have a fiduciary obligation and them not fulfilling that. I mean, their job's at risk. Their job's at risk already because they'll just really feel to invest in a basket. Everybody will have an index and you'll be able to have some EOS exposure to that. So I think that advisors not carrying out their fiduciary duties will be replaced sooner rather than later, and they're going to learn the hard way. But we all know, so we just keep accumulating EOS, keep stacking, and who knows, at some point, you may be able to have enough that you'd be able to back your own EOS product. If you really thought about it, how a cool idea. So just want to put that out there. Stop and break it up.